Pocket so fat, call me Orbit. Orbit,
Everyone needs to be connected to Remind.
Ain't gotta wait to make no moves, I be loaded. Why you watching drinking 40s, I just told it. Still that same nigga in the foreign, but it's stolen. Ryan sporty, acting sporty, can't control it. I'm doing fraud, got that bag, yeah, I'm transporting. I got that bag on me, nigga, like I'm transporting. He dropped the mixtape, thought I would've reposted. I ain't posting mixtape, cause I don't fuck with shorty.
Alright guys, vlog update. Right now we're stopped on the edge of Ohio. We just got out of Ohio and we're going to continue the rest of the trip into New York later. Peter is not very happy about the situation because he's still got to cross all of Pennsylvania. Show them how you feel, Peter.
I hate you.
Yeah, that's basically what's longer.
I keep that glitzy. I was in bed, yeah, freak speed. What the lick read, baby, come and lick me. V12, I'm riding a 6-speed.
Okay guys, so I think it's like, I don't know, like 1 or 2 or 3 in the morning. It's 1 in the morning. And we're all really tired. I don't know why. We're gonna be up for like the next probably 24 hours, okay? So it's gonna be super fun. I don't know how I'm gonna get some sleep, but we're waiting to get some steak and shake. Not sponsored, we're getting some chicken fingers.
I want on your hand. Except,
well, I want your Aunt Annie too.
You out, yeah, I'm so damn fly. I do not step. Yeah, I pop Molly, then I pop checks. I don't know where I'm going, I'm just floating. My dog got gun license, but he let me hold it.
Wow.
I don't know where I'm going, I'm just floating. My dog got gun license, but he let me hold it. All these niggas phone it, I do not condone it. I be going ham, I do not belong it. It's a cool that moment, yeah, bought it cause I wanted it. I be on the corner, yeah, fuck the law enforcement. Project baby got no stroller, but I keep pushing. Shawty love for me to choke her when I'm in that pussy.
What's up? We're at Chinks in the Armor, and we're about to dance.
we're dancing. Hey guys, when you guys are dancing, we're just here to show us New York City some love. And
This is New York City.
Good or not?
Not for not.
Not for it.
Hey, baby.
Phantom dab, quick. Phantom.
Because here's where the trains terminate. At one time, the trains went through Grand Central when they were going cross country, but now it's basically a
I don't say nothing wrong. I don't say nothing wrong. I don't say nothing wrong.
Carry on the beach.
Let me pick you up, girl. Yeah. 快坐上我的 car, girl. Yeah. 我帅的就像 Pablo. But this is nothing wrong, girl. Yeah. 我带你入了 dash, girl. I always got a cash, girl. My last year being broke. But this is nothing wrong, girl.
每天心里希望你只觉得帮我下面含你最里面 I don't say nothing wrong I don't say nothing wrong 那个对象发来邮件邀请我们去深圳去夜参观 I don't say nothing wrong I don't say nothing wrong Hey girl Watch me 我比别的 rapper 多的不止良心
Official League of Legends headquarters. We're over here at player support. As you can see, this is all the player complaints and yeah, pretty nice.
我的美脸 Baby 今天就看见你的 smile 背叛我到睡眠不再惧怕这个前方的危险就是独自一人站在全世界对面
I don't see nothing wrong I don't see nothing wrong No no I don't see nothing wrong Okay
突然发现看到身边看到的是你的笑脸我在开心随时可以为了你去卖命就像世界末日即将来临越来越入戏才能解除你
He's hitting the heat.
Look up, I see your halo. My fault, that's the weed smoke. You know I changed your lifestyle. Say the fella better than any drug. Too cool for school, they can't teach you. When these dudes on your line, they can't not reach you. When I don't see nothing. I don't see nothing wrong, baby. I don't see nothing wrong, cause she cheap. I don't see nothing wrong, no, no.
J-Wook, Joey, Jordan, Methuja, Rachel, Rick, Sean.
I don't see nothing wrong tonight. I don't see nothing wrong.
Ain't gotta wait to make them moves, I be loaded. Why you out here drinking 40s, I just told it. Still that same nigga in a foreign, but it's stolen. Ryan sporty, acting sporty, can't control it. I'm doing fine.